In the midst of death, new life can happen through the donation and the gift of organs.
What might not be so obvious to people is that all of us are capable of being living donors. And a lot of us put organ donor on our driver's license, but what they don't realize is there could be lives they could be saving right now.
How can you say anything more than thanks for saving my life? It's just a God-given blessing for all of us, not just the patients, but to have the doctors here with the talent, the dedication to save people's lives.
Every day I wake up and I thank my donor and my donor family and all those that helped me get to here. If I hadn't gotten an organ transplant, I would not have been able to see either of my daughters graduate, and within the next 2 weeks I will be a grandmother for the first time.
And the purpose of this is actually about education awareness, to make sure people understand the importance of being a living donor, the importance of, checking that box on your driver's license to be a donor, and there's no way around it. With organ transplantation, you're truly saving lives.
Life after transplant can be good. You can't sit on the couch. You have to get up and do things. Enjoy the life that was given to you, no matter how long it might last. We know it's not forever, but enjoy what you've been given and be thankful every single day.